Let's take a closer look at this pyrograph machine from Vevor. It quite simply is a wood burning device that is very easy to use. Let's go through all the parts that are included in this wonderful kit. You have the heating unit that has a digital readout and controller on it with a resistance control so that you can change the temperature. You have two outlets that you have two wands that go to this so that you can install different ends on them and operate by only changing the switch between this side and this side. The power is on the side. Here's the on-off switch. Very easy to use. You can see that the wands have a very easy keyway that goes in. Only one way goes in and you tighten them down. And then even better than that is the extra parts that come with this kit. You can see that it comes with wood plaques that you can use to practice on until you go to a different item that you want to work on. It comes with a pair of tweezers, a screwdriver to put the different heads into the wands, which I'll show right here. This one is on. I'm going to demonstrate it, but you can see that there's screws, Phillips screws on each side, and the different shaped heads go into the wand, and then you can then store them while they're hot in this device here that is very safe when they're heated. So you also get a knife to score the work with. And as I mentioned before, you have different heads. Here's an assortment of 3 different devices that go into the wands, and you get a kit with many more. You also get a sponge that you can wet and clean the heated end of your wood burning tool. So let's just demonstrate how this works. I'm going to take this one out. As I said, I already installed this flat round device in, and I'm going to simply burn into this. I'm going to turn the temperature up. I'm going to just burn. You can see how easy it is in the marks that it can leave in whatever pattern or design you want to do. You can see here how I use the tool to burn into this piece of wood, and you can do any design that you want. It's very easy to use. I highly recommend this wood burning set.